It is with great pleasure and honor that I welcome you all to the FCT Police Command this morning to brief you on the command's most recent achievements. The FCT Police Command, in our effort to rid the city of criminals and criminalities within the city and our neighbors' environs, undertook and achieved few of the following crimes I'm going to enumerate to you. The first among them is the one that we discovered that they breached our national security and involved in terrorism. In one of our fights in the kidnappers camp, we discovered that in one of the camps we discovered that there are a lot of broken SIM cards, like about 20 to 30 SIM cards broken. So we ventured into the case. We started inquiring, why do you have a lot of SIM cards broken? As small as it is, they are still broken. So we started inquiring. The last of the bandits we arrested, we discovered that they may come from Tribe A, but the SIM card they are using, we read the name of Tribe B. So we started to probe into it, and we discovered that there are people who specialize in producing active and workable SIM cards unknown to our security system. We have 6 suspects here. We have one in the BCOK. We have John Jock. We have Nephew Tijani. We have Nasiru Suleiman. We have John Njoko. And we have Suleiman Musa. 7 of them. 6 of them we discovered. They can get up, see them there. 6 of them. They specialize in selling production of already registered SIM cards. We caught them all in Kaduna State. So we recovered the machines and what they are using to produce the SIM cards. Our worry is how they bypass the NIN and the fingerprint that is required to produce SIM cards. We recover from them already active SIM cards, 1,100 already registered SIM cards. They are here with us. They sell it to the bandits, they sell it to the criminal world, and they sell to them at the cost of 5,000 naira each. So it's the case we are saying that we are probing more because we want to know what has happened. We have 1,100 already registered SIM cards with them. If you remove any of the SIM cards and put it inside your phone, the network they use will ask you to put credit. Once you put credit, your phone moves. Even WhatsApp goes immediately. So the second group are the group that specialize in kidnapping. Kidnapping, they kidnap and do robbery. That is the second group. We have some, but 2 of them that are here, we have Salam Zakios and the Adomala Razak. 2 of them there. We recovered the vehicle. We recovered the vehicles. They have confessed to the kidnapping, the way they undertook it, and the way they do active in camp. It is from them we recovered the other jammer. The jammer that is on the right-hand side, my right-hand side. the one that has bag. That one is a jammer, is a network jammer. If I put it on now, no network will work here. So they use it both in the operations and in the kidnappers camp. Once they have solar where they socket it, I will show you. When they have solar, they socket it, the jammer will be on. So no authority can track them because of the jammer. They use it in camp, they use it in their operation. Once they kidnap anybody with a vehicle, they will socket it in the car plug. In the car plug, this car plug where they used to and on it. And there it goes. They can move throughout the whole country without being noticed or tracked. We have arrested them finally. Then we have arrest of a gun runner. We have some we are holding because their members are still somewhere. We want to catch all of them. But with him, his name is we have another group of kidnappers, kidnappers and armed robbers. They are transboundary. They rob in Nigeria and they eventually take the car to either any of the countries outside Nigeria. It was through a report made by one Dr. Ade Akinfolu that his vehicle was robbed by four armed robbers at Otaku, and his Lexus SUV Jeep removed. They robbed it. Eventually, we have recovered the vehicle and we have arrested the robber in Kaduna State. The robber, his name is Mubarak Kabiru. Get up, Mubarak Kabiru.
From Niger Republic.
He's from Niger Republic. From Niger. It's him that have the second jammer. He has this second jammer. We recover this second jammer from him. That's what they use. They will, once they rob and they want to move, they will on the jammer. Once you on it, it will block every network here. You cannot until they reach Niger Republic. So they cannot be tracked or arrested. Eventually, we have arrested him. Two of his gang members, we are still telling them to get them arrested. And we are going to arrest them, the remaining two people. But this is what they do. Dr. Ade, your vehicle has been recovered. You can approach us to come and collect your vehicle. There was another report from Illiterates Human Resources that one of their staff, Chukwuemeka Udeke, that 7-year-old, that his vehicle was stolen from where it was parked. Eventually, we used our intelligence and we have arrested the suspect and the vehicle has been recovered. Toyota Camry car is here. Please, Chukwuemeka Udeke should come and collect his vehicle. In a similar development, Mr. Okosin Ikoku made a report that his red-colored Pontiac Vibe with registration number RBC 908BQ was removed from where parked. We have arrested the person who removed the vehicle, Abbas Abubakar. Where is Abbas Abubakar? Abbas Abubakar. We have arrested him through our intelligence system and we have recovered the vehicle. He should come up to collect his vehicle. Also, following a report by one Mr. Tony Nlechi of Nyanya, that is Toyota Corolla vehicle 2003 model with registration number ABJ 327BH was removed from where he parked it in Nyanya Market. We have used our intelligence system to arrest the person who removed the vehicle from where parked in Nasarawa State. The person is Matthew John. Where is Matthew John? he removed the vehicle. We have arrested him and brought the vehicle. So Mr. Tony Lechi should come and collect his vehicle. Lastly, not the least, following a report by one Ismaila Umar at Gwagwalada Police Division that the same date his Toyota Hilux with registration number ABC 708FP was removed from where parked at the University of Abuja, Abuja. Our police operative from Gwagwalada Division contacted us and we gave the necessary intelligence and we arrested one Yusuf Issa. Where is Yusuf Issa? Yusuf Issa is that man there. We have arrested him and the Toyota Hilux recovered. It is here. So we want to inform the owner to come up and collect the vehicle. So the owner is Ismaila Omar. I want to thank members of the press, but I still want the criminals that it is not business as usual. It cannot be business as usual. We are focused, we are determined, we are eager, we have all it takes, intelligence-wise, security-wise, physical-wise, to get you. We will have all it takes to get you. So, as they have reached the issue of using JAMA, they have used the issue of using JAMA to do their act. We are equally using, we will use anti-JAMA now to equally trace them. So, and that is what we do and what we are doing. I want to appeal to residents of FCT that when you see something, say something. When you see something and say something, we are going to do something. All these things we have done since 1 week, I have not addressed you. We are still focused. You can see what is going around the FCT. Every person is saying is safe, is safe, is safe. It's because we have decided to dominate all the bushes and roots of FCT. And if you see something, please say something.
Idan an sato mota ne za mu taho daga Niger, za mu tsallako Najeriya sai mu zo mu ansa da wannan abun sai mu kunna shi sai mu anshi motan. Mun kunna wannan abun in tana da anti-tracker ba za a ga motan ba har mu je inda za mu je a hankalin mu a kwance.
He said if a vehicle is stolen, they will cross from Niger, they will come to Kaduna to receive the car. But whenever they own this anti-tracker in the vehicle, even if the car has tracker, the tracker will not have network, so you cannot trace them until when they get to Niger.
He said he's not the one that is registering the SIM, but whenever this guy call him, ask him of SIM, he will call some of his colleagues to get the registered SIM from them. And then when this one send money to him, he will now send him the registered SIM. I think that's what he's saying.
So he's saying that he's not the one doing it.
He's not the one that registered the SIM. We don't know how they do it, but when they ask of the SIM registered, you buying it from somewhere, and then he sell it to this one. Why this one send him money?
Is the person he buys from here?
When the kana siya wuri shi yana nan ne?
Yana nan gurin.
He say he's around. I don't know.
Nasiru.
So where do you get the machine to do the registered SIM?
Shi wannan mashin din na ansa ne a matsayin ina saidawa a shago na. Shi mashin din register line. Saboda ni ina yi gaskiya ni ban tsammanin wani ana yin wani laifi mara kyau da shi ba.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
What he's saying is only have the machine to register SIM. He has the machine to register SIM for everybody that come to register SIM. But he don't know that the registered SIM have repercussion of it, so that's what he's saying. What he's saying is whenever you come to buy SIM, if you want to register, because normally each network has 4 SIM that you can register in any network. So what he's saying is when you come to buy SIM and register, there's a space for it. Maybe when someone that is capturing you and he said he did not capture, they want to use that the other information and register the extra SIM card to keep as a registered SIM. I think that's what he's trying to say.